So a short monsoon diary. Do you know what a diary is? It is a record of personal experiences written day after day over a long period of time. You can also use a diary to note down things you plan to do immediately or in future. One of the most famous diaries published as a book is the Diary of Anne Frank. Here are a few extracts from the Ruskin Bond's diary in which he portrays the silent miracles of nature and life's little joys and regrets. Life always gives joys and regrets, both. Okay? If you write your diary, you will also write about yours. Okay? Joys and regrets. Okay? June 24. The first day of monsoon mist. And it's strange how all the birds fall silent as the mist comes climbing up the hill. हिल पे आया मिस्ट, मतलब वो जो हम ओडिया में बोलते हैं कुहड़ी, राइट? So perhaps that is what makes the mist so melancholy. मतलब it is something sad, melancholy. Not only does it conceal the hills. Conceal. Who can say what is the meaning of conceal? Yes. Hide. Yes. It hides the hills. It blankets them in the silence too. Okay? Because all will be having cold, chilly. Only an hour ago the trees were ringing with the bird song. Because the chilly weather, this cold weather, they are all silent. And now the forest is deathly still as though it were. So this was the first day of a monsoon mist. Through the mist, Biju is calling to his sister. I can hear him running about on the hillside, but I cannot see him. Okay? So the narrator is telling that he cannot see him, okay, but he can feel him. Okay? So that was the mist, how everything is hidden. Okay? Because of the mist. And June 25, some genuine early monsoon rain. Okay, warm and humid and hot, and not that cold. High altitude stop. We have been having all year. The plants seem to know it too. And the first cobra lily rears its head from the ferns as I walk up to the bank and a post office. Okay, so when he goes to bank and post office, he observes the cobra. The mist affords a certain privacy. Okay, because of the mist. Okay, mist affords certain privacy. A schoolboy asked me to describe the hill station and valley in one sentence, and all I could say was what I said, a paradise that might have been. Okay. So Swarg. June 27, the rains have a heralded. Heralded means announced or brought the news of. Okay, so like a messenger, okay, dut. So the rains have heralded the arrival of some seasonal visitors. Who are the visitors? A leopard and several thousand leeches. Yesterday afternoon, the leopard lifted a dog from near the servants' quarter below the school. Okay, there one dog was there, it was lifted by the leopard. In the evening, it attacked one of Biju's cows. Okay, to a cattle it attacked, but fled at the approach of Biju's mother. Fled, whose past tense is fled? Can anybody say yes? Very good. So, flee's past tense is fled. Okay. So fled means it went away because of his mother, who came screaming, मतलब चिल्लाते चिल्लाते आई. Okay, imprecations. Okay, imprecations means curses, मतलब गालियां. Okay, तो गालियां दे देकर आ रही थी और वो चल गया. कौन? Leopard. As for the leeches, I shall soon get used to the little, okay, blood letting every day. क्या हुआ उसका मीनिंग? कौन बोलेगा? Blood letting every day. Losing blood? हाँ? अच्छा. Okay. Other new arrivals. Listen. Other new arrivals are the scarlet minivets. Okay, bright red bird like a cuckoo. Other new arrivals are, so these are, okay, the females are yellow. They are yellowish in color. Flitting silently among the leaves like brilliant jewels. Okay. Flitting मतलब क्या है? जो चला जाता है, ठीक है? Flitting silently among the leaves like brilliant jewels. Jewels जैसा दिख रहा था, वो सब. Okay. No matter how leafy the trees, these brightly colored birds cannot conceal themselves. Okay. So these birds, these cuckoo-like birds, they cannot conceal themselves. Okay, because they were brightly colored. Okay, although by remaining absolutely silent, they sometimes contrive to go unnoticed. Okay, so sometimes because they were silent, they were always silent, that's why they can be unnoticed. We may not notice them, we may not see them. Otherwise, if you try to see, you can see them. Along came a pair of drongos, unnecessarily aggressive. Aggressive मतलब वो जो आकर्षक नहीं, aggressive, नहीं, angry, वो attraction. Hey. ओके, अननेसेसरली अग्रेसिव मतलब जो हम जो एक्चुअली जो रागी जो उड़िया में बोलते हैं, हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? गुस्सा. ओके, एंग्री तो बोल चुका हूं. चेजिंग द मिनिवेट्स अवे. दिस टाइप ऑफ दिस ड्रोंगोस दे विल बी चेजिंग मतलब वो क्या पीछे पीछा करना, वो करते हैं किसका? वो जो मिनीवेट्स। A tree creeper moves rapidly up the trunk of the oak tree, snapping of insects all the way. Okay? Insects ओक खाती है, ठीक है, खा जाती है. So now that the rains are here, there is no dearth of food for the insectivorous birds. Insectivorous जो birds होते हैं, हाँ, इंसेक्टिवरस मतलब जो बैट्स इंसेक्ट खाते हैं, ठीक है, तो उनके लिए जब रेन्स आ जाता है उनके लिए कुछ खाने के लिए नहीं मिलता है, ठीक है, तो ये लोग बाहर निकलते नहीं है, ठीक है. August 2. All night the rain has been drumming, मतलब it was making noise like we do in drums, right? Okay. On the corrugated tin roof. Corrugated मतलब क्या है? कोई तो बता सकता है? इस चैप्टर को पढ़ाया गया है तो बता सकता है, क्योंकि मैं ये वर्ड का मीनिंग मुझे भी नहीं आता है, डिक्शनरी देखना पड़ेगा. कोरुगेटेड का मतलब थिन. ओके, यस, डाउट. ओके, लेट अस थिंक बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव डिक्शनरी नाउ. सो यू विल सी दैट वन. ओके, वो टीन रूफ है, जो छत है वो टीन का, राइट. वो टीन को उड़िया में हम बोलते हैं टीना. व्हाट हैपेंड? हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? हंस दिया. इधर आओ. बोलो हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? खड़े हो जाओ. सो there has been no storm, no thunder, just the steady swish of a tropical downpour. Okay, मतलब बारिश ज्यादा हो रहा है, and that sound is coming. Okay, it helps me to lie awake, and I think it helps him to lie awake means उनको नींद नहीं आता है. At the same time it doesn't keep me from sleeping. Okay, that means it doesn't keep me from sleeping. मतलब ये उनका सोने के लिए भी उनसे वो भी सो भी जाते हैं. उनको नींद भी नहीं आता है, फिर सो भी जाते हैं. दोनों होता है, ठीक है, क्योंकि वेदर ऐसा है, ठीक है. वो देखना चाहते हैं, ओके, फिर उस वेदर में वो सोने के लिए वो मजबूर होते हैं. Which day it is? Tell me. August, sit down. It is a good sound to read by. The rain side, the rain outside, the quiet within, and although tin roofs are given to springing unaccountable leaks, so somewhere leaks are there. Okay, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. Okay, so because the rain is outside, still some drops are coming through the leaves and he is tossed by the rain. Okay. August 3. The rain stops. The cloud begins to break up. Okay. मतलब cloud इकट्ठा नहीं हो रहे अभी. Okay. The sun strikes the hill on my left. मतलब सूरज आ गया. A woman is chopping of sticks. Okay. Sticks collect करती है और okay. I hear the tinkle of cowbells. Cows are moving. Cow to the cow. That means cow herd are moving. And in the oak tree, a crow shakes the raindrops from his feathers.